Hello my dear students, I welcome all my viewers to my channel Easy Maths, myself Pratima Tiwari. In this video, I'll explain chapter 13 exponents and powers. Try these questions given in the chapter. First try these given on page number 251. Express 729 as a power of 3. So let us find out the factors of 729. So 729 and we have to find as the power of 3. So divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27 times, 3 9 times, 3 3 times and 3 1 times. So if you see how many times 3 is multiplied, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is 3 to the power 6. Next, 128 as a power of 2. So 128 as a power of 2. 2 6 are 2 4s are 2, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 2 to the power 7. Next, 343 with a base 7. So 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 7, 7, 1. So we get it as 7 to the power 3 as it is 3 times. Next question given on page number 254. Simplify and write in exponential form. So first we should remember the law, that is a to the power m multiply by a to the power n is equal to a m plus n. So we have to just add the powers. So 2 is the base and 5 plus 3 you will get 2 to the power 8. Next one, p to the power 3 plus 2 5, 4 to the power 3 plus 2 5, a to the power 3 plus 2 5 plus 7 12, 5 to the power 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 12 22, minus 4 to the power 100 plus 20 120. Try these, page number 255. Simplify and write in exponential form. Here we have the common base, but the exponents are different. We have to divide both the powers. So the rule is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is a m minus n. This is the law of exponent and we will be using it here. So 2 9 minus 3 6, 10 raised to the power 8 minus 4 4, 9 raised to the power 11 minus 7 2, 20 raised to the power 15 minus 13 2, 7 raised to the power 13 minus 10 3. Try these, page number 255. Simplify and write answer in exponential form. The law that we are going to use here is a to the power m power n is multiply both the exponents. So we are going to use it here. 6 to the power 2 multiply 4 8. 2 to the power 2 multiply 100 200. 7 raised to the power 50 into 2 100. 5 raised to the power 3 7s are 21. Try these, page number 256. Put into another form using a to the power m multiply b raised to power m is equal to multiply both the base, and I'll write the exponent only once since it is common. So here multiply the base 4 into 2 8 raised to the power 3. 2 multiply b, that is 2b raised to the power 5. A multiply t, 80 raised to the power 2. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 raised to the power 6. Minus 2 into minus 3, 6 raised to the power 4. Try these, page number 257. Put into another form using a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m is equal to a by b raised to the power m. So here 4 raised to the power 5. Here if you see, both the exponents are same and base are divided. So I'll write base as this and the power will be 5. Second one, 2 divided by b exponent 5. Third one, minus 2 divided by b 3. P by q raised to the power 4. 5 upon minus 2 raised to the power 6. Try these, page number 261. Expand by expressing powers of 10 in the exponential form. Here 172. We have to put the decimal just after the first non-zero digit. So just after 1 I will put the decimal, multiply by 10 to the power. Now if there is no decimal here, that means decimal is just after the whole part. So 172 point. So I just have to shift it 2 digits before. So 10 to the power 2. 5.643. Just put the decimal point after first non-zero digit. So after 5 I put the decimal. Now 5.643 and decimal is somewhere here. If it is not written, that means it is after all the digits. So how many places it is moving ahead? It is coming 3 places ahead. So 10 to the power 3. 56439. Decimal will move from 1, 2, 3, 4 place ahead. So 5.6439, 10 to the power. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1.76428 multiply by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So here I have explained all the try these questions given in the chapter exponents and powers. In my next video, I will be coming with explanation and solution of exercise 13.1.